Okay, this is overhead presses in a lunge position. So she's gonna grab a kettlebell. This is just on one side. She's gonna bring the kettlebell, the bottom of the kettlebell up towards the ceiling, bending the elbow. From there, you're gonna press up, punching the ceiling, control back down, nice and slow. Good. And again, so she's working on that end range shoulder stability here, and then control back down. Good. Face towards me. Good. And then we'll do that again, grabbing the kettlebell. Good. We're really trying to have the hips and the toes facing forward. Exhale, press up. Good. And then control back down. And again, we'll do that one more time. Good. And then press up. Control back down. And she's doing a really good job controlling the down